to Wilmar International Sustainability Department. Can Wilmar strengthen sustainable forest management across its Indonesia network? From 2001 to 2019, Indonesia lost 9.79 million hectares of old-growth forest. 3.09 million were converted to oil palm, establishing a major forest management challenge. ISPO makes forest safeguards checkable. It covers land use, forests, peatlands, and traceability. Independent auditors review compliance, while surveillance can lead to suspension. These checks support SDG 15.2 and can help reduce further conversion risk. However, Wilmar's Indonesia ISPO coverage is still incomplete. Only 25 of 34 mills are certified, leaving 9, more than 1 in 4, uncertified. 4 of those 9 are independent mills. That is a gap Wilmar must close. Therefore, I propose that Wilmar meet its 2026 target of achieving ISPO certification for all 34 Indonesian palm oil mills by completing certification for the remaining 9. To make that possible, prioritize the 4 outstanding independent mill audits, publish progress, and support responsible smallholders. But a fair objection is that rapid implementation could exclude smallholders. In 2020, ISPO covered only 0.19% of smallholder plantation area versus 62.8% for private companies. Independent mills rely on smallholder fruit, while audits require land and traceability records. Tight deadlines could leave farmers with incomplete papers or maps without buyers. That concern is valid, but Wilmar can manage it through 2 tracks. Suspend supplier groups for verified deforestation or new peatland development. For documentation or capacity gaps, provide mapping and audit support with clear deadlines. Wilmar's reported ISPO support reached 4,156 smallholders in 2025, 885 more than in 2023, showing an existing pathway it can scale while closing the mill gap. Closing the gap advances Wilmar's target, strengthens traceability relevance to EUDR readiness, and keeps responsible smallholders in its supply chain. Therefore, my final call to action is close the 9 mill gap by 2026, prioritize the 4 independent mill audits, publish progress, and scale smallholders' support. Full ISPO coverage can strengthen verifiable forest safeguards and sustainable forest management, helping reduce the risk of the further forest conversion.